What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, as you guys can see from the thumbnail, is going to be a little point of view drive video and kind of explaining what's also going on with the car. It's a beautiful day out here in South Florida, so I think it's only right that I give you guys a nice little warm start on this CATLESS Course Extreme Mustang GT. So let's get it. Here's a little warm start for y'all. Man, the camera does not do it justice on this thing. This thing is just so loud in person. And anyone who knows me and has seen videos and seen this car in person, they will tell you this car is so much louder in person than it is over the phone, over the camera, whatever. The audio, I need to get an actual camera to make you guys really hear this thing to the best that I can over a video camera. Because this does not do any justice whatsoever. Even the quality of the camera, I mean, it looked good on camera, but man, I'm telling you, in person, it's just different. Everything in person is just so much different. If any of y'all live in the South Florida area and y'all want to see this car, line it up, run, do whatever, let me know in the comments. Also, Instagram, you can DM me on Instagram. Hit that sub button if you aren't already subscribed. Something like that. Let's get out and talk to you guys a little bit about this car. All right, so we currently live in Venice, Florida, for anyone who does not know, and we are going to be going to New Jersey tomorrow. Actually, I got a flight, and we definitely have some content coming up, not with this car but other cars like it. We got some muscle cars. I do another Mustang. We have a race set up, so I'm definitely going to be doing some filming. My buddy has a nice Camaro we're going to be reviewing and going for rides and stuff in that. He's got a lot of stuff done to it, so we definitely have videos on the way. But as far as this car and the future of this car goes, we do plan on supercharging this car or turboing it or pro-charging it, something along those lines. It's really up to you guys, because I always take your guys' opinions into consideration when it comes to things about this car. Like for instance, you guys wanted me to get Corsa Extreme catback on this car, so that's exactly what I did. I took off the 4 Performance by Borla catback, and I'm selling that, and I put on the Corsa Extremes, and you guys love it. I also love it too, so I know you guys have good taste in what we're talking about here. So please put in the comments of what you want me to do: supercharge, pro charge, turbo, whatever. But I'm going to explain for those who do not know what I got on the car right now. For anyone who's new here, we do have stainless power long tube headers connected with a Corsa Extreme catback with a double helix X pipe. We do have a Roush cold air intake, and we do have a tune. And as you guys heard from the point of view drive, it is a burble tune. Not just a burble tune, but it's an actual tune, but it also has a burble tune on it. So this thing ain't no slouch when it comes to performance mods, so we definitely got some stuff done there. But exterior, as you guys can see, exterior mods, we got so many things done as far as goes with the hood, the Savini hood, with the side little vents, things that have no purpose other than looks. We got the sticker on it. These are all aftermarket wheels. These are not the actual performance pack wheels that come with the car. We got a spoiler on here, tinted out taillights, tinted all around. Black badges. We got a diffuser on here, custom license plate. Exhaust, as I mentioned, and we even got these little things. Check out these little things, little 5.0 tire caps. But as far as exterior mods goes, that's all on the car. I know it is a lot of exterior mods. Some people like to say rice or whatever, but you know, it's everyone's opinion about their car. But man, this hood is just probably the best hood when it comes to Mustangs. Some people say the cow hood, but this thing, man, just look at this from the low point of view. Just that looks so aggressive. And it comes with the two vents right there and there. But man, this thing just looks great. And I do have another video that's coming along. I'm not gonna say too much, but yep, that's all I'm gonna say. But we do have another video coming along with that. But if you guys do not already follow the TikTok, I am posting on TikTok a lot now. I'm getting pretty big on there. I'm at like 40 some thousand followers on there now. I'm on the road to 50. I just uploaded a TikTok when I went to USF for the weekend. And that went absolutely berserk. So if you don't already follow TikTok, follow it right here. It's Adam 5.0. I just uploaded a new video, so make sure you go take a look at that. I kind of just wanted to come out here and talk to you guys one-on-one, or one to how many people are watching this video. But these bugs are everywhere. But like I was saying, we are almost at 3,000 subscribers now. We're like 200 away or something like that. But we've come such a long way from a red V6 to a black GT like this, kind of, that got totaled, and then we got this one, which was even better than that one. So I mean, I'm just so grateful to you guys for liking these videos, following the TikTok account, subscribing to the YouTube. I'm just so thankful, and I wouldn't really have this anymore if it wasn't for you guys. I say I wouldn't have this if it wasn't for you guys, because I do make money on these YouTube videos and TikTok, and all that money that I'm making, it goes right back into this car. So I really wouldn't have this if it wasn't for you guys. as far as future plans go, we're not stopping anytime soon. We're going to keep on pushing out the content. I'm trying to get 1 or 2 a week, maybe more if I can. Just coming up with different ideas for videos and whatnot, but I'm not going to stop anytime soon. I know a lot of YouTubers who start out small, just do it a little bit to make a little bit of money and then they stop or whatever. I'm not stopping anytime soon. I also plan on getting a bike, so once I get my bike, you know, it's over. I'm already I'm not going to say any more about that, but once I get my bike, we're definitely going to be adding that into some content. But that, ladies and gentlemen, is about to do it for today's video. I'm going to pick up the camera tomorrow because we are going to Philly tomorrow. Then I'll record some videos down there. But that's going to do it for today's video, so make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
More at stake when you in your prime.